I'm going to tell you a little secret about selling on Amazon FBA. What sucks the most, in addition to the fees that Amazon charges, what sucks the most is the returns that you will get. You can estimate to get about anywhere from 5 to 10% return rates. So if you sell 100 units, about 10 units will be returned to you for whatever reason. They're not happy with it. They found a better price somewhere. It was damaged. But the good news is that out of all those returns, some of them are in perfect shape. And Amazon, upon receiving them from the customer, will immediately return them to your inventory. So they will charge a small fee, but you won't have to do anything. Then another percentage, you will have to create a removal order. Amazon will ship the items back to you, to your house, and then upon receiving them, you'll see that about half of them are not damaged. They're in perfect selling condition. So you can just ship them back to Amazon. So I found that from that 10% return rate, it's really about 2%. So if you sell 100 units, only 2 units, about 2% of the units that you sell are not sellable, are heavily damaged. And when that's the case, you just resell them on eBay or Mercari. I hope that helps, and follow me for more tips.